This is TMC night. Every floor will have individual group dancing. This is the uniform which we wear in the 1980s.
I joined Thomson Medical Center. Beginning when the building was up, we were called as ambulance driver plus handyman. Last time the building was smaller, easier to maintain. Now we have more clinics, so the maintenance work is more. This is old building. That one was added on 6th floor. Yamaha is the other side of the building. Every day we have new repair work that motivate us to find out what's the problem. So every day we learn new things.
I am a person that love nursing, 没有大志愿，只是想当护士。What happened? Want to be carried, huh? Every time when I see children fall sick, after the care, they recover slowly, and I can reassure the parents that slowly let the medication work. And the medication work, the child get well, parents very happy, and the child go home bye-bye to us jumping. That is, I think, a very great reward to me.
When I first started in TMC, it was only a small hospital. We only have about 53 staff. Because the hospital is very small, it's like very family, and we work together as a team. What is the jaundice result of this 3330? The mothers, 他们看我这年龄哦，叫得很好，好像很关心，这样比较有 experience， 所以他们很相信我咯，所以他们很喜欢叫我帮他们呢，guide他们。
This is a scan of a perfectly normal way. When I first joined, the hospital was owned by a very renowned obstetrician and gynaecologist, and he did his best to inculcate an atmosphere of a family service. And I'm glad that when successive managements took over, this culture seemed to continue. And we continue to remain a hospital where many of the long-staying staff get to know each other very well and work very personally together.
When we first came in, 40 years ago, I'm very impressed with Mr. Cheng and Mrs. Cheng. They are such a warm couple. They're very personable to us and encouraging. So now we angle. Now this angulation is around 45. I feel happy in a way that Thomson treats her staff well. We work as a family. So I enjoyed that ambience and coziness that we have. That really keeps me going in Thomson too, because I know that I'm working for the right people, also the right principles that they uphold them.
I never know that I can stay so long also, to be very frank. But I think it's both sides. I'm very thankful to Thomson is that they give me a lot of opportunity.
我做这样久了，真的舍不得离开这 place 了，所以一直 continue 再做下去了。I'm very thankful to my management. For my age now, they still allow me to continue working.
It's always a pleasure to come back, whether it's in the middle of the night or during the day, to actually see staff who have been here for 40 years. And we greet each other as though we have not seen each other for years. No, I think it's simply great. And I hope that more staff will continue to stay here and work like this and develop very good relationships, not only professionally, but on a personal basis with everybody else around them. I'm Dr. Heong. I'm an obstetrician and gynecologist. I practiced within Thomson Medical Center for the last 36 years.
I'm currently Hoon, and I'm a principal radiographer. I've been working at Thomson Medical Center for the past 40 years.
I'm Helen Law, working in Thomson Medical Center as a healthcare assistant for the past 44 years.
I'm Helen Tan. I have been working in Thomson Medical Center for 45 years.
I am Balakrishnan, Senior Technician at Thomson Medical Center, working for 45 years.